Go. Good luck, everybody. Buena suerte. Thank you again for joining. 3-box, 2-team draft. Prizm WNBA. Good luck. Here we go. Two autographs and some color. I believe so, yeah. Whatever team it is. Ezzy Magbagor. Seattle Storm. And for the Las Vegas Aces, Liliana Rupert. It's more time now. No, the Detroit goes to some team. Detroit Sparks. Tiana Hawkins, Atlanta Dream. Sammy Whitcomb, Liberty. That Detroit goes to somebody. I can't remember who it goes to. Vegas Aces. Yeah. No. Oh, that's the San Antonio one. Kylie Shook for Liberty and Raquan Williams for the Las Vegas Aces. 72 of 99. Yeah, Detroit moved. Elena Del Don for the Mystics and Arik Ogunbowale for the Dallas Wings. 19 of 149. Kelsey Plum, Stephanie Dolson. Plum is Aces, Dolson is Sky. Crystal Dangerfield for the Lynx. Nafisa Collier for the Lynx. Autograph, Red Prizm. And autograph, Red Prizm. Jordan Canada for the Seattle Storm. Bridget Carlton for the Lynx. Raquan Williams for the Aces. Tiffany Hayes for the Dream. Ruthie Hebert for the Chicago Sky. What is this? Victoria Vivians, 1 of 3 for the Indiana Fever. Kenrick. One of 3 Vivian Fever. Victoria Vivians. No Collier rookie in this box. Stephanie Watts for the Sparks and Sammy Whitcomb for the Liberty. 44 of 99. Mosaic. Ooh. All they did was Prizm WNBA. That's it for Panini. No Collier in that box. All right, we go. Good luck. Red is Kalia Cooper for the Chicago Sky. 225 of 299, and Skylar Diggins Smith for the Phoenix Mercury. Quintanar. And those Mercuries. Still no Collier. We our first box without a Collier rookie. Dungy. Victoria Vivians. 208 of 299, and for the Connecticut Sun, Alyssa Thomas, Silver Mojo autograph. That is athletic. 19 of 25. Oh, there she is, finally. Nice box. Box 2, good luck. We got Damiris Dantas for the Lynx, Isabel Harrison for the Wings. Shakina Strickland, Atlanta Dream. Chelsea Dungy. Oof. That's all underneath the card. It's not even on the top of the card. Those marks and those lines. Underneath the coating. Oh, that'd be dope, man. Aja Wilson for the Aces. And then we got Amanda Zahui for the Sparks, 49 of 99. Sparks, Ortano. Let's call here. Sammy Whitcomb, Liberty. Arike for the Wings. Arike. Jasmine Thomas for the Suns. And Betnija Lene for the Liberty. 79 of 149. Ionescu. Want to wrap a barcode? Yeah, that's what you do. Tiffany Hayes for the Dream, and Brianne January for the Connecticut Sun. Oh, I don't know why I said Dale. You got Dallas. Satu Sabali for the Wings. Candace Dupree for the Storm. Betnija Lene, Liberty. Nika Ogwamike for the Sparks. I've got them right here. I got your barcodes right here. Nafisa Collier, Lynx. Boom! For the Dallas Wings, Marina Mabre. 25th anniversary. 18 of 25. Orange. Erica Wheeler for the Sparks, and Tiffany Mitchell for the Indiana Fever. $50 of 50. Let's call here. All right, here we go. Good luck. Jasmine Thomas for the Connecticut Sun. 11 of 299. And Liz Cabbage for the Aces, silver autograph. That is Ortano and the Aces. And second autograph is Ruthie Hubbard. 157 of 299. And for the Phoenix Mercury, Kia Nurse, Quintanar and the Mercury. Alright, we need something big here. Come on. Let's do it. Ortano called for a color glass. There's our first auto. And our second auto. Victoria Vivians, Kayla Thornton for the Dallas Wings. Ari McDonald for the Atlanta Dream. Courtney Vandersloot for the Chicago Sky. Candace Parker, Chicago Sky. Stephanie Watts, Los Angeles Lakers, red. 136 of 299. I've been staring at the edge of the water. Michaela for the New York Liberty. And Diarika Hamby for the Las Vegas Aces. 239 of 299. Cracked Ice. Betnija Lene, Liberty. Misha Hines Allen for the Mystics. I've been staring at the edge of the water. We got Jasmine Thomas, Connecticut Sun. Brittany Sykes, Sparks. Come on, something big here. Kennedy Carter. Gold for the Los Angeles Sparks. Erica Wheeler. Fearless. It's Hortano. 1 of 10. I think they're just handing out gold in this stuff. Gold and mosaics and all that wonderful stuff. Suber for the Seattle Storm. We got Erica Wheeler for the Sparks. 72 of 99. We know she's fearless. Alana Smith for the Mercury. Ariel Powers for the Lynx. Ariel Atkins for the Mystics. Renia Davis for the Lynx. Silver rookie. Got one silver rookie. Alright, first autograph of this box. Now orange. Alyssa Thomas for the Sun. 16 of 50. Sabrina Ionescu for the New York Liberty. And here we go. Blue, Emma Emerson for the Washington Mystics. 120 of 149. And for the Las Vegas Aces, Jackie Young. And that was the break. Very nice little 3 boxes. I'll just call you right there. I'll do the recap right now after I sleeve these bad boys up. Wasn't bad at all. Nice little 3 boxes. Gold, orange, mosaic, Ionescu. This is a man's world. Ugly, have a wonderful night, man. Thank you very much. Quick hit recap on this Prizm basketball. show you the colors first and then the autographs. McDonald, Parker, Watts, Onyenware, Hamby, Bird, Wheeler, Alyssa Thomas, Mieseman, Collier, Davis, Erica Wheeler, Hebard, Thomas, Collier, Mitchell, 25th anniversary, Marina Madbray, Lene, Collier, Zahui, Dungy, Victoria Vivians, Charlie Collier, Kalea Cooper, Stephanie Watts, Sammy Whitcomb, Victoria Vivians, Mosaic, Dangerfield, Ella Del Don, Rick Ogebwale, Raquana Williams, and Ileana Rupert. Our autographs. Jackie Young, Sabrina Ionescu, Kia Nurse, Liz Cambridge, Alyssa Thomas, and Skylar Diggins-Smith. And that was a break. Very nice little 3 boxes of Prizm WNBA. Thank you again, everybody. Appreciate it as always.